Okay, question number 4, same exact chart, different questions. What's the cumulative frequency and the relative frequency? And you're not supposed to get them backwards. Cumulative is like snow accumulating. Okay, it's just all piling up. This is the one where you just keep adding and keep adding and keep adding. And this is the one where you turn things into a percent. Okay, so you start with 8 and you add some stuff to it. You add 13 to it. So this will be 8 plus 13. So 21. You didn't need to show me the 8 plus 13, but that's what I was doing. Now 21, add some more stuff to it. 42. Take that 42 and add another 15 to it. 57. Take that 57 and add another 9 to it. 66. And take that 66 and add another 2 to it. 68. So that's the cumulative frequency column. You don't need to put your calculation in there. And then your percent column. Okay, now make sure to not accidentally use the cumulative frequency on this. You're going to use these numbers in the regular frequency. 8 divided by, and this totals up to 68. I already know that because it says so right there. 8 divided by 68. And then make sure the next one you do 13 divided by 68. And don't accidentally do 21 divided by 68. Okay, so 8 divided by 68. It says 0.1176. Well, it's supposed to be a percent, so I got to move the decimal place over by 2. So 11 point, and it says 76. I'm going to have to round up. You want to leave 1 or 2 decimal places. You don't want to write down everything your calculator says because that's overwhelming. And you don't want to leave 0 decimal places and just call it 12% because that looks like you were just guessing. So 1 decimal place or 2 decimal places after you've already switched it into a percent. Then I go 13 divided by 68. 19.11. So I'm going to call that 19.1%. And you don't need to show me the division. That's just what you're doing. So 21 divided by 68. 30.88. I'm going to call that 30.9%. 15 divided by 68 is 22.05. So I'll call that 22.1%. 9 divided by 68, 13.23. So 13.2%. And 2 divided by 68. 2.94, so 2.9%. Now I think this one does actually add up to 100%, but if yours doesn't add up to 100%, don't worry about it. That's just a rounding error. It should come pretty close, but if it's 100.1% or 99.9%, that's fine too.